Hi, I'm Jennifer Hart, and I recently took Karen's raw food class, actually two times now. I really found it a valuable and really an eye opening experience. She really taught me the benefits of raw food eating and really how to apply it in the kitchen. So, no matter what level you're at from a dietary perspective, whether you're already eating raw, vegan, vegetarian, or just transitioning or just curious about a raw food diet, she adjusts based on your level and really provides you great information. So thank you, Karen, for giving us your great knowledge and tools, and I definitely recommend your class.
My name is Karen Ranzi of feelfabulous.with food.com, and I'm an award-winning author of books on vegan and raw food nutrition. I'm a speaker, and I'm now taking my live 5-week course, and I am bringing it to you online so that you can learn how to lose weight quickly, how to heal from autoimmune conditions and other diseases, and how to get healthy and vibrant and have energy and sleep well, all of these things at a time, a most challenging time, when we are feeling deprived of our right to go out. And so I'm bringing my online course to you so that you can see all these wonderful dishes that I will prepare for you in my very own kitchen, and you'll be able to see them online. And so week one will be juicing, smoothies, cereals, and pancakes. Week two is salads with delicious dressings, and there will be a variety of salads. And so many people have troubles integrating salad into their diet because they haven't found something that they really enjoy. So I'm going to make them really delicious and creative for you. The third week class will be on veggie pasta and all of the traditional sauces, but dairy-free, gluten-free, and oil-free, and still delicious. The fourth class is raw food entrees. And so I'll be making things, for example, my romaine burritos. And these romaine burritos have a romaine lettuce leaf as the tortilla and a walnut taco filling. And it's absolutely delicious and very satiating. And these dishes, even though they're satiating, they are low in fat, and they will increase weight loss for those who are looking to get to a more ideal weight. Then class 5 is healthy party foods that are guilt-free and that are quick and easy to make. All these recipes are maybe 10 to 15 minutes tops, and you'll get to see me prepare them in my kitchen live, but online. And then each week we'll be going through a variety of different health topics, from weight loss to thyroid health to eating raw in the winter and seasonal foods, and all the topics that go along with kitchen essentials, what you need to make this very practical for you so that you can have a growing health and immune system to protect you at all times. And so I invite you to join me. And if you have any questions, and also if you would like to see the full agenda of the courses, I will be happy to email that to you. If you email me at Karen, Karen, at feelfabulouswithfood.com. And you can also message me here on YouTube. That would be also a great way to get in touch with me with any questions. I would love to have you with me. This course has been going for 10 years now, and I've had hundreds of students take this course. And here are some of those testimonials. Thank you so much for joining me for this talk, and I hope you'll join me online for my 5 weeks of classes starting Tuesday, May 12th.
My name is Nicholas. I know Karen Ranzi for about 2 years. I attended her plant-based raw food class, and I'll tell you, it's been a game changer for me. I came from a very traditional Italian family. We ate a lot of heavy food, and fast forward 2 years, my diet has completely changed. I've had, I mean, look, I still eat meat, and but it's probably, you know, 15 to 20% of what it used to be. I only eat organic foods now, and my fruit and plant-based consumption is probably 5 or 6 times what it used to be. It's certainly given me a lot more energy. I've lost, probably about 15 pounds, and I exercise. And another real big benefit of the whole thing is my 2 little kids, 7 and 5. Their favorite food is broccoli. It's weird, I know, but it's true. And they eat a lot of, fruit and pineapple and strawberries and berries. And, we eat a lot of acai bowls. So it's really been a very big influence on our lives. And I'm really happy that we did it. Really, every time I eat something, I always think of Karen. It's like she's a little angel on my shoulder, and whether or not I should or shouldn't be eating this. But really, I got so much out of the course just in terms of education. I didn't know that there was so much protein in plants. I always thought protein was just supposed to come from animals. To be honest with you, I really got a ton out of your class. So thank you.